let's move further. Okay. Akanksha, you may start reading. Start with the title.
The relay of resolve.
Yes. Read. Read. Can you see the page? Akanksha?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, please read.
Vihan dropped his sports bag with a sigh, collapsing onto the sofa. The scent of dust and achievement still clung to the school uniform. His mother, Vimla, smiled, putting aside her book.
Okay. Any new words for you here?
Collapsing.
Collapsing. मतलब हम जो धड़ से बैठते हैं ना. So collapsing onto the sofa.
Yeah.
So धड़ से सोफा पे बैठ गया. Any other word that is new for you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Wonderful. So what is happening here? What is happening here?
सोफा
कैरेक्टर्स कौन है? सबसे पहले तो कैरेक्टर्स कौन है?
विहान
Vihan.
ओनली विहान?
मदर
Yes. What is the mother's name?
Vimla.
हिमला
Yes. And what is happening here? क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? You will answer in English. Okay.
स्पोर्ट के मैच
What
हो
is
रहे
happening here? No. Sports match is not going on here right now. So Vihan dropped his sports bag with a sigh, collapsing onto the sofa. What is happening? What is happening? No idea? Okay, if अगर हमें इंग्लिश बोलना है, स्पोकन इंग्लिश बोलना है, if we want to learn to speak in English, we need to understand what we are reading. Okay, so nobody knows what is happening here on this page.
नो मैम
Okay, so Vihan, the character here, he dropped his sports bag with a sigh, collapsing onto the sofa. The scent of dust and achievement still clung to his school uniform. तो इसका मतलब कहाँ से आया है विहान? From where has Vihan come? हाँ?
स्कूल से
Correct, correct. He has come from school. How do we know that? Because school uniform is mentioned, isn't it? Yes. तो अभी वो घर पे आके उसने क्या किया? सबसे पहले क्या किया? जैसे हम सब लोग करते हैं. क्या किया उसने? Look at the picture. It will give you an idea.
आके सोफे पे बैठा
आके सोफे पे बैठा. Okay, dropped his sports bag. मतलब अपनी बैग को
नीचे रखा.
correct, right. And who was there on the sofa? Who was already sitting on the sofa?
His mother, Vimla.
Yes. So now whenever I ask you a question, try to answer it with a sentence. Okay? Let's move further. Good job. Come on. Sony,
कैन यू रीड मैम
कौन था वो? Sorry, I was just changing
Can
my
you read?
screen. हाँ, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. रंजीत पावरा के यहाँ से मुझे आवाज आ रहा था.
कैन
Please
यू
go
रीड
on.
मैम
Yes, read.
Vihan, welcome back. My son,
विहान
your
नहीं है,
face
विमला
tells.
है.
Sorry, ma'am.
Hmm.
Vimla,
Read.
welcome back, my son. For face tells as story. How was the only support day? We it is grand, useful. Come, tell me anything.
Very good. Okay, so it is Wimla. Welcome back, my son. Your face tells a story. How was the annual sports day? Was it as grand as usual? Come, tell me everything. So now what is the mother telling, Vihan?
Annual sports.
No, give me a sentence. ऐसे नहीं. I want a proper answer.
Welcome back.
वेलकम बैक. नहीं, बहुत कुछ पूछा. द मेन क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा?
How
Mother
was
ने
the annual sports day?
Yes, she asked how was his annual sports day. Wonderful. Let's move ahead.
I read.
Yes, read.
Vihan, oh, it was incredible. Me, the
Ma,
energy
ma.
was. Ma,
Oh,
the
it
energy
was
was
incredible, ma.
incredible. The energy was infectious, and the closing ceremony was beautiful. But the real half point of 4 point for me was the four,
400 meters relay.
400 meters relay.
Any new word here?
X
Yeah, which one?
X for X
4 into 100. That is 4 into 100. That is 400 meters. Okay. वो 100 meters का जो करते हैं ना, उस पे 4 बार ऐसे जाते हैं. That is why it is written as 4 into 100.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
ये रेस खेला है ना स्कूल में,
Yes,
कॉलेज में? हाँ. So you go in a circle, no? That circle is 100 meters. So you run 4 times. That is why it is known as 4 into 100.
400.
Okay. Any other new word here? No new word? What about incredible?
Ma,
Beautiful.
Incredible. कभी सुना है ये वर्ड पहले? पढ़ा है? I can't hear. कभी सुना है incredible word?
no, ma'am.
नहीं
No,
सुना
ma'am.
है. Okay. So
No.
incredible means बहुत ही अच्छा. Okay. Oh, it was incredible. यानी आपकी मेरी सोच के बाहर, इतना अच्छा था. Okay. Let's move on. Okay. Who is reading now?
Ma'am, me.
Yes, read. I saw Sheetal Suryavanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Vimla, the you I look forward to it. I,
Okay, आपका आवाज
of
नहीं आ
my
रहा
face.
है. आपका आवाज कट रहा है. Can anyone else read? शायद आपको नेटवर्क इशू है. Can someone else read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Eknath, please read.
Vimla the relay you always look forward to that. What happened in your race? Did your team win? I am on the edge of my seat.
Seat. SEAT, seat. SIT, sit. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now there are whenever we are reading, no, we have to follow the punctuations. Punctuations यानी full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark. They are all there for a reason. Okay. So Vimla, the relay, exclamation ना तो high emotions आने चाहिए when we read. You always look forward to that. What happened in your race? अभी question है ना, तो आवाज में question आना चाहिए. Okay, आवाज में भी question आना चाहिए जब हम read करते हैं. What happened in your race? Did your team win? I'm on the edge of my seat. So now here the mother is asking. What is she asking?
Did your team win?
Yes. Did your team win? और दूसरा कौन सा question पूछा? What other thing she asked?
Did your
Yes.
team
What
win?
happened?
What happened in your race?
Perfect. What happened in your race and did your team win? Now, how is the mother feeling here? How is the mother feeling here? How is Vimla feeling here? How is the mother feeling here?
She asked your team win.
नहीं, क्या पूछा वो नहीं. How is she feeling? वो कैसा महसूस कर रही है? Okay, if you will look at the last sentence, I'm on the edge of my seat. यानी वो बहुत उत्सुक है जानने के लिए. Okay, she is excited to hear what all happened over there. Okay, I'm on the edge of my seat. That describes the excitement that she's feeling. Okay.
Yes.
Come on, now who's reading?
Can you read, ma'am?
Okay, Sony read.
Ma'am.
हाँ, सोनी के बाद आप रीड कीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. Vihan, we did my, but no, not we heard a hair
Yeah. Goga mic sal gaya.
Heart
heart sporting
moment.
moment. I was reading the hair leg. Everything felt perfect. My sprint the
Hand off.
handoff from the squad neonar unit.
Okay, अभी मैं रीड करती हूँ, सब ध्यान से सुनिए. विहान,
Ma'am.
we did ma, but not without a heart-stopping moment. I was running the third leg. Everything felt perfect. My sprint, the handoff from the second runner, until. अभी यहाँ विहान क्या बता रहा है? What is he saying? So he's describing what all happened. Okay. So what happened? What happened over there?
Handoff.
नहीं. So he's describing कि सब कुछ अच्छा जा रहा था, लेकिन एक दिल धड़काने वाले मोमेंट. Heart stopping is जो दिल को धड़का दे, मतलब we say that my heart stopped for a moment.
Attack.
Okay.
Attack.
Yeah. So for that one heart stopping moment, तो वहां क्या हो रहा था? I was running the third leg. अभी third leg का मतलब क्या हुआ यहाँ पे?
Attack.
What do you understand by third leg?
Attack.
Okay, so as I mentioned that 100 meters in a circle, so when you are running for the third time on that same space, it is known as third leg. Okay, that was the third leg. Now what happened? Everything was perfect. My sprint, that is, he was ready. Okay, he was ready. 1, 2, 3 bolte hai. So how they raise their knees when they are running? You all must be aware. No, I know all of you all are playing sports. Yes, so you all know what that means. and he got the handoff from the second runner. That means he was placed third and he had to give it to the fourth person running the last 100 meters. Okay, are you able to understand what is happening here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move further. Come on, who is reading now?
I can read.
Yes, yes, please read. Vittal, right? Read Vittal.
Vimla. Oh no, when did things go wrong? Was it near the poor?
Curve.
Tell me why. Brave.
Tell me, my brave one.
Abu Talib.
I can't hear. Who is reading?
Abu Talib.
I can read. Ma'am, reading.
Please read again. Please read again because I could not hear.
Abu Talib.
Any one person.
I can read.
Yes, please read.
Vimla.
Ma'am.
Oh no. When did things go wrong? What is near the curve? Tell me, my brave one. What happened next?
Very good. आपने बहुत ही अच्छा टोन यूज किया रीड करते समय. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, continue reading.
Can we read, ma'am?
हाँ, जो पहले वाला पेज जिसने रीड किया था ना वो ही रीड करे. कौन था वो?
Okay, ma'am.
या रीड.
Vihan, right at the middle of my leg. My grip
Abu Talib.
Faltered.
the button
Faltered.
faltered. The button slipped.
No. The baton slipped.
Slipped. Why did I have to draw it at that
Crucial.
point? It felt like the entire stadium gasped.
Gasped. Entire stadium gasped. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
now, what is happening here? We read 2 pages, isn't it? So here Vimla is asking.
सोनू कौन है?
What is Vimla asking her son?
सोनू कौन है?
Can I have silence, please? Please
अरे
keep
मैं हूँ
yourself
टीचर.
on mute. अबू तालिब, आपके यहाँ से बहुत आवाज आ रही है.
सॉरी मैम.
Okay, no problem. Okay, but let us understand what is happening here. Come on. So what is Vimla telling her son? What is she telling here?
Vihan.
What is she telling Vihan? What is she asking him? What is she asking him? What is she asking him? Okay, now nobody is answering. अभी किसी का भी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. All of you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here she's asking her son what all went wrong. And Vihan is telling, he's describing, right at the middle of my leg, my grip faltered. My middle of my leg यानी वो third leg पे जो दौड़ रहा था, the grip faltered, my grip faltered यानी वो जो baton पकड़ते हैं ना रिले में, ये जो stick है ना, this is known as the baton. Okay.
Okay,
My
ma'am.
grip faltered यानी क्या बोलते हैं, आप जो भी चीज कर रहे होते हो उसमें एक रुकावट सी आती है. ओके, दैट इज फॉल्टर.
Yes, ma'am.
कोई भी चीज करते हो तो ग्रिप फॉल्टर यानी ग्रिप, उसकी ग्रिप लूज हो गई. ओके, और बेटन ये जो छड़ी है वो गिर गई, स्लिप यानी गिर गई. And then he's telling, why did I have to drop it at that crucial point? What is crucial point? What is crucial point? What do we mean by crucial point? Come on. What is the meaning of crucial point? Okay, nobody. Okay, now why did I have to drop it at that crucial point? So whenever anything happens, we always tell, no, समझो हम लोग दौड़ रहे हैं विहान की जगह पे, और हम लोग थर्ड लेग, वी आर रनिंग द थर्ड लेग, बीच में हमारे हाथ से छड़ी गिर जाती है, तो हम क्या सोचेंगे? मेरी छड़ी अभी ही गिरनी थी. Crucial point is that important time. Okay, important time. जो हमें या तो इस पार लेके जाएगा या तो उस पार. That is crucial. Okay, crucial यानी या तो इस पार या तो उस पार. तो ये गेम है, ये रेस है. सो वो सोचता है मेरा इसी टाइम पे मेरी छड़ी क्यों गिरी, क्रूशियल टाइम पे, क्योंकि अगर मेरा टाइम वेस्ट हुआ तो मैं रेस हार भी सकता हूँ. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट इट मीन्स. इट फेल्ट लाइक द एंटायर स्टेडियम gasped. एंटायर स्टेडियम, एंटायर यानी पूरा, gasped यानी, ओके, ये एक्शन को gasped बोलते हैं. Are you all with me? Okay, see, I'm trying to simplify it for you all so that when I ask you questions, you are able to answer. Come on, now read. Who is reading fast? Come on.
I am read, ma'am.
Yes, read.
I am.
Baliram.
Vimla, that must have been terrifying.
Being
Have
terrifying.
terrifying. How did you recover from that moment? It takes true strength of character to not just freeze in that situation.
Okay, that must have been terrifying. How did you recover from that moment? It takes true strength of character to not just freeze in that situation. So what is his mother telling? That it must have been so terrifying. जब अब छड़ी गिर गई तो उसके लिए कितना टेरिफाइंग होगा. यानी टेरिफाई इज जब आप इतने यू गेट सो स्कैर्ड दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू मूव. ओके, टेरिफाइंग का मतलब वो होता है. हाउ, आप उस सिचुएशन से कैसे बाहर आए? दैट इज व्हाट शी इज आस्किंग. कम ऑन, नाउ रीड फास्ट.
Can you read me?
Yes, read.
Vihan, I just said. I scooped it up, but the lid we had was gone. I had to push myself harder than even before to close the gaps before the final hand up. Who was running the final leg? Our anchor, Rohan. I just focus on giving him a chance.
No matter what. हाँ. Okay, so here he is telling that मैंने तो सिर्फ रिएक्ट किया, मैंने जल्दी से वो पकड़ा and I started running faster so that I can give the baton to Rohan, जो लास्ट लेग दौड़ रहा था. But the lead we had was gone. मतलब जो हम जितने आगे थे, जो हमें लीड मिली थी आगे होने की, वो चली गई थी. सो जैसे अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे दौड़ रहा था, तो लेकिन छड़ी गिर गई, उसकी वजह से अभी वो चौथे या पांचवे पोजीशन पे था. अंडरस्टूड? Okay, come on. Read. Who is reading? Please read. Yes, Eknath, please read. Eknath, are you reading?
Vimla.
Vimla, that is the of the true computer.
Okay,
We
1
are
minute.
recover.
Eknath, please read.
Vimla, that is the mark of a true computer. Vihan, the
Competitor.
recover is the real victor. Where did you end up finishing before Rohan took over Vihan? We were in second place, just a hair behind, but Rohan, he was magnificent.
Magnificent.
Magnificent. We won by half a step.
We won by half a step. Okay, so here he's telling what happened. Vimla is telling that it was wonderful. Vihan ने जो भी काम किया बहुत ही अच्छा किया, and she's asking, where did you end up finishing before Rohan took over? So he's telling we were in the second place. Okay. And just behind, just बहुत ही कम distance से behind थे, behind the first runner. Okay. So, and they won by half a step, just half a step. So now, you must have received this, right? You must have received this document. Has everyone received this document? Yes or no? Okay. Have you all played sports? Have you all taken part in sports day in your school? Yes. Have you all taken part in sports day in your school?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you describe how was your race? किस चीज में पार्ट लिया था?
Running.
Relay.
हाँ?
Relay.
Relay में लिया था. Very good. So can you tell me what happened in your relay race?
400 meter.
Okay, so 400 meters, no, you will say I had taken part in 400 meters relay race. Repeat after me.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat. I had taken part
I had taken part
in 400 meters
in
relay.
400 meter in relay.
Relay race.
Relay race.
Okay. And then how was it? Which position did you come on?
व्हाईट बेस नाही आला साहेब, ब्लॅकच आला.
Hello? Yes. Which position did you score? Yes. First position?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So how will you say? How will you say? So I came first position
I came first position
in the relay race. I
in the
won.
relay race.
और आपने कौन सा मेडल जीता?
प्राइज नहीं थी तब.
हाँ?
मेडल नहीं थे तब मैम.
Oh, okay. फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे आए तो मेडल नहीं देते हैं?
नहीं, वो जिला के बाद दे.
Okay. So you must have got a certificate?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell that. I got a certificate.
I got a certificate in 400 meter in relay.
I got a certificate, और इसको आप और अच्छे से बोल सकते हो कि I was awarded a certificate for
I was
winning the
awarded for certificate in 400 relay.
400 meters relay race.
For winning in 400 meters in relay.
For winning the 400 meters relay race. Wonderful. Very nice. Come on. Who else? Who else? It is okay if you have not won, but have you taken part in sports in your annual sports day? Any of the races? Come on. I want you to share. I want you to share. How will you share? You will first tell your name. So for example, Vishwas hai, ठीक है? So we are talking about Vishwas. So you will start like this. Hi, good evening. I'm Vishwas. I had taken part in 400 meters relay race last year. तो आप बोल सकते हो कि आपने कभी पार्ट लिया था. तो last year I came 4th position in the relay race. That's it. इतना ही बोलना है. Come on. Yes, Jama, would you like to speak? Yes. Who will take the lead? Come on. Who will take the lead? Who will take the lead?
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, please, please. Come on. Good. Very nice. Sony, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sony? हाँ, बताइए.
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही मुझको.
स्क्रीन पे कुछ नहीं है. स्क्रीन पे कुछ नहीं है. आपको सिर्फ बोलना है. 3 सेंटेंसेस बोलने हैं. हाय, गुड इवनिंग, आई एम सोनी. आई हैड टेकन पार्ट. आपने जिस भी चीज में पार्ट लिया था और आप कौन सी पोजीशन पे आए थे. अगर आपने विन किया तो ठीक है, नहीं विन किया तो भी ठीक है.
I am a second position your softball game.
कौन सी गेम?
Softball.
Softball. Wonderful. So how will you say? First of all, देखो, कभी भी बात करते हैं ना तो ग्रीट करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. You have to wish. Hi, good evening. I am Sony. Come on, repeat after me.
Hi, good evening. I am Tushar.
अच्छा, आपका नाम तुषार है?
Yes, मेरे मम्मी का नाम सोनी.
ओ ओके, स्क्रीन पे सोनी था इसके लिए मैं सोनी बोल रही थी. ओके. I am Tushar. I took part in. Took part भी बोल सकते हैं. हाँ, listen.
I am a part game in softball.
आप सुनिए. I took part या I participated. इसमें से आप कोई भी बोल सकते हैं. So say I participated in softball. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
In softball during my annual sports day. Sports day पे था ना?
No, ma'am.
Then
competition.
Competition था. किसके? Between whom?
Yes, ma'am. चाणक्य स्कूल वर्सेस RIGMS.
हाँ, तो बताओ ना बेटा, कितना अच्छा है आपके पास तो बोलने के लिए. I participated in a competition between चाणक्य school and my school. आपकी स्कूल कौन सी है?
हाँ,
आपकी स्कूल कौन सी है? चाणक्य है कि दूसरी वाली?
RIGMS राष्ट्रमाता.
हाँ, वो आपके है ना. So you will say I had participated in the softball competition between Chanakya school and my school. Bolo.
Uh,
I had
I had
participated.
I had participated between and Chanakya school and my school.
Wait. अभी मेरे बाद में रिपीट करना, ठीक है? I
Yes, ma'am.
had participated
I have participated
in softball competition
in softball competition
between Chanakya school and my school.
between Chanakya school and my school.
नाम बोलो अपनी स्कूल का.
राष्ट्रमाता इंदिरा गांधी सैनिकी शाळा, मिलिट्री
Okay.
स्कूल.
I won second position in that competition.
I was second position in that competition.
Right? अभी आप बोल पाओगे?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बोलिए. Come on. Very good. Very nice.
I had
नहीं,
participated.
One minute. You're doing good. लेकिन सबसे पहले ग्रीट करना है. Hi, good evening. I am Tushar.
Hi, good evening. I am Tushar.
अभी बोलो.
I had participated softball game
in a competition.
I had participated softball game between Chanakya school and my school. My school participate and the second position in that game.
I won second position.
I won second position in that game.
Wonderful. That was beautiful. Everybody clap for him. Very nice. Wonderful. Okay. Come on. I can see someone from Ramesh by the name Rameshwar. I'm getting on my screen. मुझे पता नहीं आपका नाम क्या है. क्या नाम है आपका? Yes.
मैम सबने माइक बंद कर दिया.
सबने माइक बंद कर दिया. Come on. See how he shared his journey. I want all of you to share. ऐसे ही आपको confidence आएगा बोलने में. See, spoken English is nothing but confidence. हमें अपने confidence पे काम करना है. गलत है सही है वो नहीं सोचना है. गलत है सही है वो नहीं सोचना है. हमें सिर्फ बोलना है. Come on.
Ma'am. I understand.
Come on. Who is taking part now? Wonderful. Come on. I want someone else. You shared your journey. Let someone else share.
मैम मुझे बोल रहे तुम?
नहीं. और मैम को आप बोलते हैं, तुम नहीं बोलते. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, विश्वास.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, ये कौन है? अपना नाम बताइए सबसे पहले तो.
वेदांती विश्वास पावरा.
थोड़ा वापस बताएंगे.
वेदांती विश्वास पावरा.
हाँ, वेदांती. Okay, Vedanti. Come on. Now you share. How did you start?
Hi, good evening. I had participated in football. I had first position.
Very good. बहुत ही अच्छा बोला. Hi, good evening. लेकिन अपना नाम बताना चाहिए. Come on, let us try once again.
Hi, good evening. My name Vedanti Vishwas Pahora. I participated in the football. I had first position.
अरे फुटबॉल में फर्स्ट पोजीशन होता है कि टीम जीतती है? कैसे होता है?
टीम जीतती है. हमारी टीम
तो फिर so my team, तो फिर टीम की बात करते हैं. ओके. My team won first position in the football टूर्नामेंट. फुटबॉल की टूर्नामेंट होती है. ठीक है. क्रिकेट है, फुटबॉल है, ये जो सारी टीम वाली गेम्स रहती है ना, उसकी टूर्नामेंट होती है.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, let
Okay.
us try once again. Let us try once again. You're doing very good. Come on.
Hi, good evening. My name is Anti Vishwas Pavra. I had participated in football and my team won first position
In the football tournament.
in the football tournament.
Wonderful. Very nice. Clap for Vedanti. Very good.
Thanks, ma'am.
Vedanti, did you score the final goal? The
Uh,
winning goal?
7 गोल किए थे हमने.
आपने कितने किए थे?
मैंने 2 ही किए थे, ज्यादा.
2 is also a great number out of 7. Vedanti, you did a great job. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now who else? Come on. Sridhar, Sheetal, Bharat, Vaishali.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vaishali. Come on. First of all, tell me which game are you talking about?
baseball.
Baseball. तो baseball में भी team रहेगा, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you know how you're supposed to say. कैसे बोलना है पता है ना अभी format?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, proceed.
Good evening. Myself Sanskruti Kharat. I had participated baseball.
My team.
My team first position. First
Okay. आपने क्या नाम बताया अपना?
Sanskruti.
Sanskruti. Okay, so how will you say? See. Hello everyone. Good evening. I am Sanskruti Kharat. I had participated in baseball tournament. My team won the first position in the tournament, baseball tournament. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, repeat.
Good evening. Myself Sanskruti Kharat.
Myself नहीं, कभी भी myself करके introduce मत कीजिए. बोलो I am.
I am Sanskruti Kharat. I had participated baseball
Tournament.
baseball tournament.
My team
My team first
had won
had won
first position
first position
in the baseball tournament.
in the baseball tournament.
Wonderful. Okay, now who else?
Ma'am,
हाँ, yes, please go ahead.
hello everyone.
एक मिनट, स्क्रीन पे नाम रंजीत पावरा है, आपका नाम क्या है?
Neha Paura.
Okay, come on Neha.
Hello everyone. My name is Neha Ranjit Paura. I had participated football
Football tournament.
First position I had.
My team had won first position in football tournament.
My team had first position football tournament.
My team had won. Main
My
word
team
है won. Yeah.
My team had first position football tournament.
My team had won. Won यानी जीता था. जीतना. So my team had won.
My team had won first position football tournament.
Wonderful. अच्छा, आप लोग this is for all of you. अपना नाम, see when you are telling your name, no, don't tell your name in a hurry. अपना नाम ऐसे बोलो कि सामने वाले को अच्छे से सुनाई दे, क्योंकि आप अपना नाम बोल रहे हो, वो आपकी आइडेंटिटी है. ओके, तो उसमें कभी भी रश नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, कम ऑन नाउ. Very good, Neha. Very nice. Come on. Who else now?
Ma'am, I am
अभी कौन? Yes, yes, please. First of all, tell me your name.
Sonakshi.
Sonakshi. Yes, Sonakshi. Come on.
Hi, good evening. My name is Sonakshi Vanwe. I have participated in volleyball tournament and my team had won the first position.
Very nice, Sonakshi. Very nice. Wonderful. Come on. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Come on. Who is going? कितने अच्छे से आप पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो. क्या आपको लगता है कि आपका थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा है? Do you feel that you have increased your confidence to speak in English? You can answer in the chat box. Say Y if yes and say N if no. Come on, let me see. Let me check the chat box. Come on. I can't see any answers. मतलब नहीं बढ़ा है confidence? Okay, I got answer from Jash Soni. I got answer from Vaishali Kharat. I got answer from Raju Pavra. Okay, so only 3 people have got confidence. Okay, Shesharao. Shesharao, come on, now your turn. Where are you? I can't see you on the screen. Yes, now
Hi.
I can see you. Come on.
Hi, good evening. I am Vaibhavi. I am participate in drawing competition of the school.
Okay. इसको वापस से करते हैं. क्या नाम बताया आपने?
Vaibhavi.
Vaibhavi. Okay, so you will start like this. Hi, good evening everyone. I am Vaishnavi. I had participated in drawing competition in my school. I had won. आपने जो भी जीता था, ठीक है? Come on. Let us start.
Hi.
Vaibhavi?
Hi, good evening. I am Vaibhavi Sheshara Dhakre. I have participated in drawing competition of my school and number is third.
Okay, I had won
I had won
third
Third.
position.
I had won third position in drawing competition.
Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now, who else? So only 6 to 7 people have said yes. बाकी के लोगों को क्या हो गया? Confidence नहीं बढ़ा है?
बड़ा है ना मैम.
बढ़ा है तो लिखिए. Okay. Come on. Now who? अभी किसका टर्न है? एकनाथ, have you mentioned? Eknath? Okay, who is this Shakuntala Lakhade? कौन है ये? Come on. Okay, ठीक है, चलो, nobody is answering. So we will have a conversation between any two of you. Who wants to go ahead and participate in a conversation? Come on. मेरे साथ conversation, चलो. कौन करेगा conversation मेरे साथ?
मैम
मैं करूंगा मैम.
Okay, all of you, come on, all of you. So now, very good. Okay, come on. So we will have a conversation about sports. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
uh, my question is, how did you participate in your annual sports day in school? अभी मुझे yes और no में जवाब नहीं चाहिए, मुझे पूरा सेंटेंस चाहिए. Yes, I had participated in my annual sports day in school. Okay, come on. Did Okay, I will ask Tushar. Tushar, did you participate in your annual sports day?
Yes, ma'am.
No, yes मैम नहीं, मुझे पूरा सेंटेंस चाहिए.
Yeah. Hi, good evening.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो नहीं आएगा. अभी मैंने आपको सवाल किया है तो मुझे सवाल में जवाब चाहिए. तो जवाब में आएगा yes मैम, I had participated in my annual sports day at school or in school. Come on. गायब.
Annual day.
Yes, come on. I can see two girls on the screen.
मैम हो गया था.
फर्स्ट नवंबर
हाँ, come on.
डिवीजन लेवल मैच से क्वालिफाई थे.
How will you answer this question? Did you participate in your annual sports day at school? कैसे आंसर करना है? मैंने बताया ना. Yes, I had participated in my annual sports day at school. कितना ही बोलना है?
Yes, I am participate annual sport school.
Sports day at school.
Sport day at school.
Very good. क्या नाम बताया था आपने? वैभवी ना? Okay. Okay, come on. Who else now?
I ma'am.
Try to करो. Come on.
Yes, I had participated in my annual sports day at school.
Very good. बस इतना ही बोलना है. Come on, she already said it. Come on. हाँ, go ahead. Go ahead.
I had participated in sport function.
Sports function नहीं, sports day
Sport day.
at school. अच्छा, वापस से बोलेंगे. मैंने yes और no तो सुना ही नहीं. पार्टिसिपेट किया था या नहीं? Come on.
I had
Yes, आपका आंसर देखो. जब भी क्वेश्चन होता है did you, तो उसका आंसर yes और no से शुरू होता है. If you have, then it is a yes. If you have not, then it's a no. Okay, come on.
I had participated sport day function.
स्पोर्ट्स डे का फंक्शन नहीं होता है, एनुअल डे का फंक्शन होता है. स्पोर्ट्स डे एट स्कूल. सी दिस इज हाउ वी विल आंसर. यस, आई हैड पार्टिसिपेटेड इन एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स डे एट स्कूल.
Yes ma'am.
At school या in school. Okay, come on. Next. Another. Okay. हाँ, yes, go ahead. Did you participate in annual sports day?
Yes, I participate in annual sport day in school.
Very good. I participated. Okay, TED से end होता है. Participated. Okay, wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी how many of you all have done your homework and submitted to your teachers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes मैम से नहीं होता है. आंसर में क्या आना चाहिए? Yes मैम, I have submitted.
Yes, ma'am. I am submitted.
Very good. Okay, so she has submitted. Who else? Who else has submitted homework?
Homework.
Who else यानी और कौन? और किसने सबमिट किया है? Who else has submitted? Nobody. ऐसा क्यों? Why?
Yes, ma'am, I had.
Okay, you have. अच्छा, yes ma'am, I have. वो incomplete answer है. So you will say yes ma'am, I have submitted.
Yes, ma'am, I.
Come on, try again. Okay, okay. And today's story you all have got.
Yes, ma'am.
You all have got today's story. Did you all go through the questions that are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you went through the questions. Okay. So now tell me, if you were to describe your sports day in one word, तो कैसा था? मुझे हिंदी में बताइए, मैं आपको इंग्लिश वर्ड्स दूंगी. आपका स्पोर्ट्स डे कैसा था?
स्पोर्ट डे के बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दी थी सर ने, बहुत बच्चों ने भी.
नहीं, आपको एक ही वर्ड में बताना है. जैसे कि स्पोर्ट्स डे, ओहो, हम लोग इट वाज टायरिंग यानी बहुत थक गए थे. इट वाज अमेजिंग यानी बहुत ही अच्छा था. और यहाँ पे देयर वाज वन वर्ड यूज्ड, इनक्रेडिबल, इजंट इट? स्पोर्ट्स डे वाज इनक्रेडिबल यानी बहुत ही अच्छा था. टायरिंग यानी बहुत थक गए थे. एग्जॉस्टिंग, थक गए थे. ओके, माय स्पोर्ट्स डे वाज एग्जॉस्टिंग, मतलब बहुत थक गए थे. माय स्पोर्ट्स डे वाज टायरिंग. स्पोर्ट्स डे के दिन थकते हो कि नहीं थकते हो? थकते हो ना? Okay, but do you also feel happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when you feel happy, you say my sports day was exhilarating. My sports day was amazing, was incredible. ऐसे उसको डिस्क्राइब करना है, ठीक है? अगर थक गए हो, my sports day was tiring, my sports day was exhausting. ठीक है? So you've got 5 different words. You've learned 5 different words to describe your sports day. So now if I ask, who will answer? Okay, Abu Talib, how was your sports day?
Prema Mishra unit.
Okay. Come on. Yes, I can see Vishwas Pavra on screen. How was your sports day?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Okay, my sports day was wonderful. लेकिन wonderful नहीं, जैसे मैंने बोला, अगर बहुत happy हो तो क्या बोलना है? It was amazing, it was incredible, it was exhilarating.
It was amazing.
It was amazing. Very good. Tushar, how was your sports day? It was? I can't hear. जोर से बोलो.
It was amazing.
Wonderful. Okay. So with that, we end our class, and you have received note. So do that homework, whatever is there. Okay. The questions are given. Do it and submit it. Okay. I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
ओके स्टूडेंट्स, भी बच्चे यहाँ पे आए हैं, बेटा अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोलो दोबारा डेली ज्वाइन करने के लिए. आपके यहाँ पे बच्चे कम